Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see about the pin and unpin command. So once I just click on this wall, see, so you can see here are the modification tools are now open. So here you can see this one your pin tool and this one is our unpin tool. So currently you can see I can just if I just click on this wall, so I can just move this wall, right? Let me make undo. So if I just click on this pin option and I just pin this wall, right? See, this option is showing I have just pinned the wall, right? So now if I just wanted to move this wall, see, I can't able to move this wall. If I just wanted to delete this wall, if I just click on delete, it won't happening. See, I just click on this delete button. See, the wall I can't be delete because this wall is currently pinned. So if I just click on this unpin tool, see, let me click on this. The wall is now unpinned. So if I just click on this delete button, see, wall is now deleted. Let me make undo. Now if I just wanted to move the wall, see, I can just move the wall now.